In this hot tropical weather, window films are a must, and Infinity Autoworks carries one of the best brands on the market, Avery Dennison. Avery Dennison has become one of the go-to window film installations for car brands such as Volvo, BMW, Lamborghini, and more. We're here to learn more about it.
We started around 2018, so just about 6 years ago. Funny thing is that actually started, we opened on my birthday, and that was sentimental to me because I'm a big car fan. Not really a big car nut, but I just am very interested about cars. I grew up kind of wanting to learn more about cars. At one point in my professional career, I felt it would be good to have a business around cars. It's something that I'm passionate about, something that ground me amidst my daily work. So that's how it started, just a passion to do something about cars, but it has definitely evolved as I better understood value on customer service, on quality, that just continued to just increase my interest to just go beyond myself, but really understand how I can use my passion to bring forward just a better experience to the Philippine market. Represent a global brand in the Philippines, like bring a global brand, bring a global experience into the Philippines. Avery Dennison is just a world-renowned brand in the automotive film space. They're at SEMA every year. They are known on the color change film industry. They were number one on my list of organizations to reach out to. So just after a few emails, after a few calls here and there, long story short, we got connected with Avery Dennison ASEAN. And from there, we were able to understand what they're looking for from a growth strategy point of view. We were able to understand what their vision is for the ASEAN market, and it just clicked. They were looking for a partner that will help them expand their presence in ASEAN, but they're not just looking for any partner. They're looking for a partner who will be with them for the long haul, who shares their value of quality, who shares their value of sustainability, shares their value of customer service, and all of that we've lived and breathed the past 6 years. In Infinity Autoworks, we have interactions with Avery almost on a weekly basis. That speaks for how passionate we both are into making sure we give the right things to our customers, and the values are just so aligned around quality, around customer service, one of the biggest in the world. We have a presence on 50 countries. We are on 6 continents except Antarctica. I don't think they need much of the labels or automotive films there, but it's a big organization. Again, easily one of the biggest in the world. If anybody watching right now is a bottled water, likely that label is Avery Dennison. We participate in a wide range of space, like the labels and graphic and automotive. And Infinity Autoworks in particular, we represent the automotive segment for Avery Dennison. And on that, we have automotive window film tints, we have paint protection films, we have color change films, and among other things. A few fun facts is Avery Dennison is actually a partner in the NBA. Cleveland Cavaliers, we're a partner on the Premier League. I mean, we have partnerships across the world. Obviously, is when we started to participate in the Manila Auto Salon Exposition. We feel that that's a really good representation of the various aftermarket products that our customers look for. So we participated in 2022, we participated in 2023. Our booths became bigger as the year went by, and we feel that just represents again how we are able to continue to grow amidst a competitive market. Another thing is we have expanded our network, our dealership network beyond Manila, or Metro Manila. We definitely have good partners here in Metro Manila across the different cities, but now we also have a few dealers in the north, a few dealers in Visayas and Mindanao. So I think that's also a big milestone because as much as we know that a big market is Metro Manila, we're here for the long haul. We're here for the Philippines.
We position ourselves to offer premium and quality products But also, we recognize the fact that many of our customers would need a quality product with a balance of affordability. So with that, we offer various options for them. So we do have a lot of products that can cater from different types of customers.
That's right.
We have different variants. All of our variants, we assure you with the quality, with the state-of-the-art technology, as well as with ensure the longevity of this film. So our variants include, first is our advanced tool. It's actually an advanced hybrid film. So its heat resistance would run from 78% to 90%. And it's followed by Supreme series, which is the first one would be the Supreme Ceramic. And its heat resistance would be up to 93%. And our high-end product is what we call Supreme Ceramic IR, where the heat resistance is up to 98%. And all offers a limited lifetime warranty. So as long as you are the owner of the car, then you are guaranteed of our warranty against fading into purple and very big bubbles. There's actually two types of training that we have. One is training by our training here locally. So our expert trainers do train our dealers across the Philippines on how to better use our products to maximize its use, its efficiency, and its installation. And the second type of training that we have is that we do sponsor training from trainers abroad. So we do have trainers from Malaysia, from Canada, who comes here to train our people and then also train our dealers for, advancement in terms of installation, as well as the special techniques for our products. To add as well, we do also collaborate with other training companies like Tint Academy Asia and Tint Academy Canada, where we do bring trainers from Canada to, train us as well as our dealers for our products.
We become available to our dealers, to our customers. So we ask them, call us anytime. Even if they're not calling us, we call them and ask, how are you doing? Do you need any help? We try to build a relationship, really. It goes beyond a partnership. We try to build a relationship such that there's trust within that relationship. But we hope that with that kind of partnership, strong partnership and trust between ourselves and our dealers, that will also benefit the customers. Everything that we try to inculcate to them, any learnings that we imbibe upon our dealership, our hope is that all of those also with the customers that our dealers also cater to.
To be able to, achieve that level of quality that is required in the market. Check out our pages. Our Facebook page is at Infinity Autoworks PH. You can also check our website, infinityautoworksph.com, so that you can be able to get our contact details, especially for our dealers who would want to offer Avery Dennison films. You can get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to assist you.
Yeah, and call us up. We're happy to have a conversation. We're happy to just hear what you're looking for. We're happy to explain to you how we can cater to your needs. Anything through the social media, through the phone numbers, anytime. We're more than willing to just hear out from our customers. So hopefully we'll hear from you soon.
Avery Dennison has leveled up window films for everyone. It is not just about the product, but also, more importantly, the level of service that the dealers can give its customers. Read more about it on CarGuide.PH.